Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Today's topic is going to be about business intelligence in the health sector. As we all know, business intelligence is something that's used in almost all organizations now. In organizations today, we are required to understand and react very quickly. So, business intelligence comes in to help staff, top management, and executives to make the decision more easier. Hospital in total has got a lot of data that needs to be managed by business intelligence, like patient details, disease details, and doctor details, be easier to be managed with the use of business intelligence. So what does business intelligence do? Basically, business intelligence will assist in strategic and operational decision making. For instance, it will be able to improve corporate performance management. It'll be able to optimize customer relations, monitor business activities, package standalone business intelligence application, and also it'll help to report if there's any data error or data problems within the business intelligence system. So, what is the importance of business intelligence in the health sector? Coming on to our main topic. The health sector. In the health sector, why do we need business intelligence? Right. First of all, in a hospital, there's going to be a lot of patients. There are going to be a lot of confidential information like the house address, phone numbers, disease details, insurance details, doctor details, and many more, and booking details for the operation theatres and so on. So, when we have a BI, when we have business intelligence in a hospital, it's very important because they'll be able to consolidate and protect the data of the patients and the doctors as well. It's guaranteed to be more efficient. Doctors and nurses and management of the hospital be able to work more efficiently, come up with better decision making, and get their job done more easier and faster for the patients, also known as the customers of the hospital, whether they're private or government. It also increases revenue and reduces cost. With business intelligence, you don't have to manually store data and manually look up for data, so it saves a lot of time instead of the hospital management or nurses trying to personally go dig up a patient's file for a very long, because there'll be a lot of patients and some patients will be gone for a very long time and they come back again. Increases revenue because basically if you save more time and people like your services in the hospital when you're fast, you get more patients, you get more money. Also, one of the importance is improved patient treatment and care. Doctors will be able to quickly get access to the data of the patient and be able to diagnose the patient with a more effective manner, knowing what his past diseases were, what are his allergies, and so on. Now, coming on to the challenges and barriers of business intelligence in the health sector. First of all, in almost any sector, budgeting is a problem. Business intelligence is not cheap. Most importantly, is the first front payment that you have to pay for someone to come and get business intelligence done in your company is a lot of money. So, in these rocky stages of the economy, a lot of people are beginning to just they're beginning to slam their brakes on wanting to put business intelligence in their company. So it's slowing things down. That's one of the challenges. Followed by lack of resources. Hospitals' main specialty will not be to hire an IT specialist because they don't really require it. But now that they require it, they're going to have to hire more than one or two IT specialists. And these IT specialists, and they have got to come out and look for resources to get this business intelligence program to set up in the hospital and everything. They would not have that kind of resources because they have to outsource to a different IT company. Now, complexity of IT systems is a very big problem. Many of the elder generation and the younger generation will not be able to use systems like business intelligence if they have got no prior IT knowledge. So, would the hospital or would any health department or health sector willingly spend so much of money to train their newly joined interns or newly joined employees to actually just train and learn how to use business intelligence, maintain and upgrade and update? So that is another problem, a very big problem actually. followed by future uncertainties. You see, if at all business intelligence is going to help in the form of diseases and insurance and whatnot, diseases keep changing. They get worse and worse, and there are more symptoms, and they are getting more complex and more difficult to cure, more complicated. So as things like this keep coming, something new keeps coming in, people have got to keep updating their business intelligence of the hospital, which we have said earlier already. It's a very complex thing to do. And then followed by insurance companies who will, change their plans, their packages. Different insurance companies coming up, some insurance companies shutting down. So it's a very messy and complex job to get it done. That's one of the very few barriers, but when we weigh the importance and the uses of business intelligence, I feel like the business intelligence is a necessity, and it is really helpful in any health sector at all in this era. So in conclusion, we would like to say that yes, business intelligence is very important in the health sector. It has to be done. It must be used in this sector because we are a growing population, and it will ease things and put things in perspective and make it in a more systematic manner. Alright, thank you.